Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving who you are, so gather recovery details first. Use the device you normally sign in from and open the Google account recovery page. Follow prompts to enter your email or phone and any recent password you remember. Once done, provide the recovery email or phone when requested and select the verification method, text, call, or code generator. Make sure to note approximate account creation date and any devices recently used because those facts speed verification. Next, you'll go through the detailed verification flow. This is the middle where accuracy matters. Carefully enter the most recent password you recall, then respond to security questions and select any available backup codes or the Authenticator app. If prompted, approve sign-in on a trusted device or provide a photo of ID when required, only if explicitly asked. Once you complete each step, wait for confirmation messages and make sure to try a different verification method if one option times out or is Finally, you regain control and lock it down. Reset your password to a strong, unique phrase and immediately enable two-step verification to prevent repeat loss. Once you're signed in, review recent account activity and sign out any devices you do not recognize, then revoke third-party app access you did not authorize. If you still can't recover access, wait 24 to 48 hours and retry the recovery flow, and if that fails, use Google's account recovery support options for guided help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.